Welcome to the Casual Pour. This week we are going to make French onion mashed potatoes for a family gathering for warmth and for food that feels like a hug. We all have our traditions, those classic dishes that must appear on the table year after year. But I love giving a beloved classic a little twist, something that makes everyone say, "Oh, what's in this? It's delicious." That's exactly what these French onion mashed potatoes are. Imagine creamy, buttery mashed potatoes, already a crowd pleaser, now swirled with jammy, golden brown onions. It's the flavor of French onion soup folded into the creamiest potatoes you've ever had. This isn't just a side dish, it becomes a star, sophisticated enough for a formal dinner, cozy enough for any family table. The best part? It's not complicated at all. With a few good ingredients and a few easy steps, you can create something truly special. This recipe is designed to be stress-free. I'll show you how to caramelize onions perfectly, a step you can even do a day ahead. So pour a glass of wine, put on some good music, and let's make the best side dish you've ever tasted. This recipe is a keeper. For a recipe with so few components, good quality ingredients are everything. It's the difference between good and absolutely fabulous. For mashing, I always use Yukon Golds, naturally buttery, just the right starch, and irresistibly creamy. And the onions? Simple yellow onions, sliced thin. Their sugars transform low and slow into sweet, jammy depth. This is where the savory sweet backbone of flavor comes from. Use unsalted butter to control seasoning, and whole milk warmed before adding. Cold dairy shocks starch and turns mash grainy. A splash of sherry vinegar at the end brightens and balances all that richness. Finish with kosher salt, freshly ground pepper, and a scattering of thyme for aroma and a pretty pop of green. Keep it simple. The goal is to let caramelized onions and buttery potatoes shine. With just these ingredients, you're already on your way to the most delicious mashed potatoes. Set the stage. A good setup makes cooking enjoyable and efficient. Use a large, heavy skillet, stainless or cast iron. 12 inches gives onions room to brown, not steam. Too crowded, and you won't get that deep golden color. You'll also need a large pot or Dutch oven to boil potatoes evenly. Drain thoroughly. Water is the enemy of creamy mash. Return to the hot pot for a minute to dry. Simple trick, major payoff. A handheld masher gives rustic charm. A potato ricer delivers ultra-smooth, velvety results. Skip processors and electric mixers. They overwork starch and make gluey paste. Have a wooden spoon or spatula, a small pan for milk, and your measuring cups and spoons ready. With everything in place, cooking becomes calm and pleasant. Yeah. The soul of this dish is caramelized onions. Start with oil and 1 tablespoon butter over medium-high. Flavor of butter, higher smoke point. Add all your onions, stir to coat in fat. Let them soften and release water, stirring occasionally. Then reduce heat to low and go slow. This unlocks sweetness without burning. Plan on 35 to 40 minutes, stirring every so often so they cook evenly. Watch them turn from pale to deep amber, soft and jammy. If they brown too fast or stick, splash in water and scrape up the flavorful bits. Finish with sherry vinegar. Cook a minute to leave a subtle, bright tang. Set aside 3/4 cup for folding in, and keep the rest for the glossy topping. Patience pays off. This is pure flavor. While onions cook, prep 2 pounds of Yukon Golds. I peel for the silkiest texture. Uniform size means even cooking. No hard centers, no blown-out pieces. Start in cold water and season the pot. This flavors the potatoes from the inside out. Once boiling, drop to a lively simmer so pieces don't knock apart. Cook 15 to 20 minutes until a knife or fork slides in with no resistance. Drain well and shake off water. This step is crucial. Put them back over low heat for a minute to dry the surfaces. Dry potatoes make fluffy, creamy mash, not watery ones. Now they're perfectly prepped and ready for mashing. Take a breath. Best part starts now. Add the remaining 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter first. The heat melts it instantly. Butter's fat coats starch, preventing gumminess. Small step, big payoff. Mash to break down, or rice in batches for ultra-smooth results. Don't overwork. Warm milk blends evenly and keeps potatoes light and fluffy. Add half, incorporate, then the rest. Aim for creamy, not soupy. Fold in 3/4 cup of those jammy onions. Season with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust until it's perfect. Serve in a warm bowl, top with the remaining onions, and finish with fresh thyme. How easy is that? Tip 1. Mash with butter before adding liquid. Fat coats starch and blocks gluey texture. Tip 2. Dry the potatoes after draining. Water dilutes flavor and makes mushy mash. Tip 3. Warm your dairy. Cold shocks starch and creates lumps. Room temp is better than cold. For onions, resist high heat. Low and slow builds complex sweetness. Put on music, pour a glass, and stir occasionally. It's a calm, meditative process with delicious rewards. Follow these and your potatoes will be fluffy, creamy, and deeply flavorful every time. Make onions up to 2 days ahead. Cool completely and refrigerate airtight. Rewarm gently, or let the hot mash warm them as you fold in. You can make the whole dish, cool, and refrigerate up to 2 days. Reheat gently, double boiler, slow cooker on low, or microwave in short bursts, stirring between. Mashed potatoes thicken on standing. Add a splash of warm milk to revive. For longer storage, cool. Pack into freezer-safe bags. Freeze up to 3 months. Thaw overnight. Reheat gently with a bit of warm milk and season to taste. Your secret head start. I get this a lot. Can I use a ricer? Absolutely. Ricers make exceptionally smooth mash without overworking. Cheese? Go for it. About a cup of grated Gruyere at the end makes it extra decadent. No sherry vinegar. Use balsamic or a little dry white wine. Cook a minute to mellow. Serve with roast beef, steak, or roast chicken. Also great with pork loin, simple sausages, or a veggie meal of roasted roots and a big green salad. No matter what, they'll be the talk of the table. If you love comfort food that actually earns its spot on the plate, hit that like button, subscribe to The Casual Pour, and let me know in the comments. Would you pair these with steak, chicken, or a roast?